ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳ ಪೈಕಿ ಒಂದಾದ ಸೈಂಟ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ 5 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ವಿಟಿಯು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದು, ಇವರಿಗೆ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಸೈಂಟ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರೇರಣಾ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಎಂಸಿಎ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮತ್ತು 3 ಚಿನ್ನದ ಪದಕ ಪಡೆದ ಡಿಯೋನಾ ಡಿಸಿಲ್ವಾ, ಎಂಸಿಎ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 5ನೇ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪಡೆದ ಸ್ವಾತಿ ಬಿಎನ್, ಇಇಇ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 4ನೇ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪಡೆದ ಲೌಲಿಟಾ ಮಿರಾಂಡಾ, ಸಿಇ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 5ನೇ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪಡೆದ ಪೂಜಾ ಎಲ್, 10ನೇ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪಡೆದ ಜಾನ್ವಿ ಯು ಮುಲ್ಕಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನೆರವೇರಿತು. ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ಸೈಂಟ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟವರು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರೂ ಕಾರಣ. ಕೋವಿಡ್ನಂತಹ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಉತ್ತಮ ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಸೈಂಟ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಕಲಿಕೆಗೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಪೂರಕವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
I still remember I and Pooja were doing combined studies and we had doubts every time and we used to WhatsApp lecturers. Really we used to WhatsApp lecturers and every one of them have replied to us. They used to work out the sum and send us pictures. So it has helped us a lot. Thank you lecturers for that. And obviously the management has always been supportive.
Very, very special and not something that we expected to happen. So, talking about the COVID pandemic, yes, it definitely wasn't something pleasant for anybody to have this experience. And yes, everything turned online and we had no idea about how to go about and to switch from online to offline to online with our projects happening here and there. Everything completely changed and it was different, very different. I would not say it was very bad, but then it was definitely different. We missed a lot of things that we would otherwise have in college, like maybe our farewell or a lot of things. We missed a lot of fun, especially which we thought we would be being a part of in our final year.
So speaking about the pandemic, the life in pandemic was not easy because our projects were in between, so we couldn't complete our projects. The timelines were given. And most of us thought that we would not have exams since it's our last semester. We would not exam, but the video told that you have to write exams and all other same exams were cancelled. When the timetable came, it was a 3 days continuous exam for us. We did not have time to prepare. Though we had prepared, we did not have time to recall things.
Coming to the question, being from an MCA background, the last final semester of my year. According to the curriculum, we never had to undergo any of the theory subjects. It was just the internship and the project. And luckily that where I was doing my internship in Infosys Mysore, we were undergoing the internship, but the pandemic happened and that has to end abruptly. So everyone was sent back from Mysore and we were sent to our respective homes. But then there came a problem. What about next? What about the internship which was left halfway? And what about the project?
ಬಳಿಕ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಡಾ ರಿಯೋ ಡಿಸೋಜಾ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಕ್ನಿಂದ ಎ+ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ದೊರೆತಿದೆ. ಈ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪಡೆದ ದೇಶದ ಕೆಲವು ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಕಠಿಣ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಕಾರಣವೆಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
We first got information that we are going autonomous. Of course, it is being notified by university very soon, but we are going to be autonomous from the coming year, and this is a great recognition of our maturity this college has reached. As we enter the 20th year, that we are going autonomous. That was the first thing. Then the NAC visited in February, and very soon we got the information that we have been rated as A+ with a score of 3.39 out of 4, which in the first cycle itself is very few colleges which have done that across the country. We are in the top 5%. And in this region, hardly any college at all, in the first cycle, of course. And so we stand a very good chance of going from there to the next level. And such occasions, such students who work hard, they are the people who contribute to such successes.
ಬಳಿಕ ಸೈಂಟ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಫಾದರ್ ವಿಲ್ಫ್ರೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಡಿಸೋಜಾ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಈ 5 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ಮಾಡಿದ ಈ ಸಾಧನೆ ಉಳಿದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾದರಿ, ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲದೆ ಸಾಧಕರಿಗೆ ಇವರು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು.
Successful people are dreamers. Successful people are ambitious. Successful people are motivated from within to achieve something. Successful people are focused. Successful people are the ones who are responsible for their actions. From my childhood, or say from my high school, or later, I've been watching, all of you have watched the TV probably, or your newspapers, coolie worker's daughter or son got a rank. The one who studied under the street light got a rank. All these people are successful people and they are achievers.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಂಟ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಸಹಾಯಕ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರುಗಳಾದ ಫಾದರ್ ರೋಹಿತ್ ಡಿಕೋಸ್ಟಾ, ಫಾದರ್ ಆಲ್ವಿನ್ ರಿಚಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸೋಜಾ, ಸೈಂಟ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸಿಎಸ್ಸಿ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಎವಿಟಾ ಕುವೆಲ್ಲೋ ಮತ್ತಿತರರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಪವನ್ ಕಾಜಿಮಡ್ಕ, ವಿ4 ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.